This is the before and after of my beard curl removal routine that I have perfected over 6 years of experience, and today I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So without further ado, let's show you how to bring your beard from this to this. Ho ho ho! So this routine may take me a while on camera, but off camera, if you really get it refined, it should only take about 5 to 7 minutes for most of you. For some of you with longer beards, that might skew a bit higher, but that comes with the territory. But either way, the first step of the process is going to be jumping in the shower. We're going to use a beard wash, a beard conditioner, wash it out. We're going to come back, dry the beard, and then go from there. Alright, we are back from the shower. As you can see, we are dripping wet. Common misconception here is people grab their towel when they start drying and they really start furrowing up the hair. We don't want to do that. We're just patting. We're just just doing some of this, right? Just dabbing the beard dry. It's ideal to get approximately 70 to 90% of the excess moisture, but we don't have to really furrow it up that much. What's going to do most of that is going to be the blow dryer. So just by patting it down, I have a mostly dry feel, but I just feel a bit of moisture. You can feel the hair kind of still saturated with moisture. You actually want that. What you're going to go in with now is going to go in with a argan oil heat protectant spray. Pretty much any kind of beard oil works. This is just good as an insurance policy because you are ultimately about to work heat through your beard. So just work that on the outside and all the way down to the skin. And now you're going to want to grab your blow dryer and your round brush. In terms of whether you need a super fancy blow dryer, not particularly, so long as it has about 3 heat settings and a cold setting. So like a cold shot setting, I have it right there. And your first maneuver is going to be, you're going to go medium heat, medium speed, generally speaking. You can go high speed, medium heat, so long as you don't go high heat right off the bat. And the maneuver is going to be on the cheeks. You're going to do one of these. Side, up, down. Side, up, down. While the blow dryer is running, of course. So I'm going to turn that on right now and do that maneuver on both sides. And ultimately, there's going to be some taming capacity with the blow dryer. The main goal with the blow dryer is going to be just getting as much water out of the beard as possible. That's really the main goal here. So now in the front, if you have a big mustache, I like to go into the mustache at this point, and this is just a matter of doing outstrokes while the blow dryer is just kind of leading behind like this. So I'm going to do that right now. And that's a good, nice little priming phase for the mustache there. We'll probably do a bit more work with it in a little bit, but that's kind of a good start. So now a maneuver I like to do with the blow dryer right now is bringing the entire beard over to one side, over to the other side, and sometimes even up and then back down. It really is going to depend on your beard and how it responds to this. Generally speaking, for me, it's a positive response. So I'll show you how I do this. So as you can likely see, for a lot of you, this will be more or less enough already. For me personally, when it comes to really looking prim and proper, there's a few more steps to it that is really going to dial you a little bit more in. And that usually has to do with using something like a heat brush. This is the AberLite go-to right here. There's many good heat brushes on the market, but I really urge you to buy a good quality heat brush. You don't have to buy this one in particular. This one's about $150. The AberLite Compact is significantly cheaper and will absolutely suffice for most of you. So all links for all the products for this video are in the description. I'm going to start heating up this heat brush to about 340 degrees. So our device is now at 340 degrees. The maneuvers here are very simple and similar to the ones that we just went through. So first of all, on the cheeks, we're just going off to the side, all the way up to the very tips of the sideburns. And we're going up. But when it comes to combing down, we don't want to comb down with the heat brush. We actually just want to comb down with our round brush. So just bring that down nice and gently. And that is going to just add a really nice flow to the hair. And if we compare it to this side here, significantly more wavy curls. Let's get rid of those. And I am going to opt to just tidy up the mask area just a little bit more. Heat brush can do really nice things for your mustache with just a few strokes. Just really brings all the hairs together. It can bring it out of your mouth just a bit more, which is also very nice. And it can add lots of taming to the underlip area. And I mean, there's a couple of ways to go about taming the front of your beard. What you don't want to be doing right now, you don't want to be combing down and very aggressively down and under. That's going to create C curls at the chin line. We really just want to bring it down and then straight down when you pass the chin. So not down and in, just straight down, right? If you do want to kind of apply pressure towards the end, you can use your hand as kind of a backboard. But in this current beard styling, because doing that can sometimes just cause a bit more translucency. I just kind of want to have a nice natural kind of shape and just add straightness on the very top layer of the beard. You can try to kind of bring the heat brush down to the bottom layers of the beard and make everything straight along the way, but just so you know, it is going to kind of diminish the overall size you have, generally speaking. Now, some pretty important things to be aware of. I think one of the biggest issues that holds a lot of people back, there's a few of them. So one of them is people take a shower and they take a really hot shower. First of all, not great for your skin. Second of all, it's going to fill your bathroom with steam. So if you do take hot showers, just be sure to open your door, change rooms, whatever you need to get the steam out. Trying to get your beard dry in a steamy room, completely counterintuitive, right? So that's one big issue. Another one is people are not getting their beard dry enough before they go into the heat brush. Having any amount of significant moisture on your beard before, like while using a heat brush, is going to be pretty counterintuitive. You're also going to make steam bubbles. Your hair is quite vulnerable while it is wet. In terms of finalizing products, can you use balm, mustache wax? 100%. I'm going to do neither today. I'm typically not a balm guy in general. That's usually for guys that have beards that are just barely coming off the face and you have those sticky uppy hairs, those flyaways. With this routine, most of you guys, I promise, you're not going to have that many flyaways. I mean, day to day you might have flyaways and that's just life, but I really hope that this routine works for you guys. That's pretty much all I had to cover for the day. Let me know if you liked the video, whether it helped you out. You can comment down below. Thank you, Kaz Veselka from AberLite. I am now super handsome. My beard don't look so bad no more. Have a lovely day, everyone, and happy bearding.